Craig here from Your Tech. Today I'm going to be reviewing the UM01 from Neewer. Neewer. This is a condenser microphone with USB connection and supposedly has some quite powerful AI noise cancellation. So I'm interested to test it out and see how it does. First though, let's unbox it. Starting off with the boom arm. As we unbox it, we have this very heavy duty clamp for the desk, an instruction manual, Allen keys and some screws, your little riser pole, and the actual arm itself. It feels very rugged and very well built. A very nice hinge mechanism, and the ball mount at the end for the actual microphone. Moving on to the UM01 microphone, we get an instruction manual. We get the microphone itself, which is incredibly well built. It's an all metal construction with a plastic top. It's got a nice range of movement, the base unscrews really easily, and you get a very nice USB-C to USB-C or A cable. And that's everything in the box. I'm going to quickly run through the tech specs. This is a condenser microphone. It has a USB-C to USB-A or C cable. It has a cardioid pickup pattern, a frequency response from 20 Hz up to 20 kHz, a sensitivity of -36 decibels, has audio monitoring through a 3.5mm jack on the back, has separate volume control for the microphone and for your audio monitoring, has RGB lights, and is controllable through Neewer's own app. Neewer sent me this microphone out and they included a monitor arm with it. So I'm going to get that set up now and we're going to do some testing. One, to see what the AI noise cancellation is like, and two, to see what the quality of the audio is like. And then finally, we will talk about the price and whether or not it's worth it. Before we get into the testing for this, I want to go through a few of the things about setting it up. So firstly, you get a normal desk stand mount thing with it if you want to use that. However, I won't really recommend it because the handling noise on this microphone is not very good. The mic arm itself, however, really good. It's a low profile one that is usually designed to go either under your monitor or come in from the top and like hang down near your face. It's very rugged, it's very well built. I like it a lot. You get a little extender pole, which I'm not using at the minute. I've just got it going across the side of my desk and that's it. But the monitor arm, really good. The mic itself is very well built. It feels very premium. You've got an all metal housing. You do have a plastic top that has got your mute or AI functionality in it by pressing or holding, and setting it up can be a little bit confusing. You're going to see a screen capture now. So as you can see, this is the website for the UM01 AI USB podcasting microphone. As you scroll down, there's a little firmware and manual button so that you can find any updated firmware that this needs, or the application so that you can control it. So we will click that, go to download center, scroll down, and you have app, firmware update, and AI. None of these downloads are for this microphone. None of them. If you download the UM1 or the UM01 Pro and you open these up, and the only thing in these are Word documents on how to open Studio Tablet, Studio, and Neewer Home. And that's in, regardless of what you download, that's all you get. Neewer, you need to sort that out. It makes absolutely no sense that your product page takes me to a page I can't use. To actually get the application that I need to be able to use this microphone, I have to click up here on app and scroll down until I find Neewer or Neewer mic. And then you download and install that application. The website needs some work. This is extremely confusing. It took me a few minutes to work out. And to be honest, it really irritated me. Why have this link here that takes me to a page that I don't need? It doesn't make any sense. That needs sorting straight away. With that out of the way though, once you have the app installed, this is what you are greeted with. You have your mic in front of you. You have a little volume thing that lets you know whether or not you're clipping, depending on how loud you're talking. And you have the option to control the microphone gain, the headphone volume, scene, which is actually equalizer. I don't know why it's called scene. You've got light to control the RGB. You can record and you can do it in different sample rates and bit depth and channels, which is cool, and where they're going to be saved. And then you have your little recording button and play button here to hear yourself back. Now I'm going to do throughout this has been the test for the microphone. As you can see from the little volume gauge here, I haven't been clipping. It's almost brushing up against the red now and again, so it should be absolutely fine volume wise. So you can tell me whether or not you think the quality of this microphone is worth it. and I will listen back and give you my opinions at the end. Next thing we're going to do though, we need to test out the AI noise reduction. This has been on so far, so I'm going to turn that off. This is now the raw sound of the microphone without any AI noise reduction. Take in mind, the AI noise reduction had nothing to do. There is no background noise in this room. It is just me talking into the microphone. And I have my desk fan here. What I would normally do is have this off to the side, blowing light on the side of my head, but I want to test this out. So it is going directly in front of me, and I'm going to put it on mid speed, and we will see how the microphone deals with me talking into it with a desk fan blowing directly at my face. That is really nice and cool. So this is me talking about 2.5 to 3 inches away from the microphone with a fan on me to test the AI noise reduction. This is without the AI noise reduction. Can you tell the difference? Is there a difference whatsoever in the sound quality? I will react to it at the end. The next test that I'm going to use is actually music. So I'm going to play Spotify out loud on my phone. I'm going to play StreamBeats by Harris Heller playlist. This is all copyright free music, so hopefully I won't get a strike on it, and I will link it down below in the description, so if you like it, feel free to have a listen. Right, we've currently got the AI noise reduction off. I've got music playing in the background. I don't know how well this is being picked up by the microphone, but I'm going to turn the AI noise reduction on now. Hopefully that has made some difference to the quality of the mic, and hopefully that background music isn't coming through too bad. It turned off again. I'll give it a couple of seconds. We'll react to that recording at the end to see if it's actually any good or not. You've got microphone volume control, and you've got headphone volume control right on the mic. You have ports on the back to connect it to your computer via USB-C, and it has a 3.5mm audio jack so that you've got audio monitoring from your microphone directly. On the top you have a mute button, and you just tap and you press it again and you're unmuted. If you hold for 3 seconds, this turns on the AI noise reduction, and if you hold it again, it turns it off, which is great. You don't need the actual application on your PC. This is just plug and play. You can just plug it in, use the controls that are on the microphone, and off you go. And I do like that. I do not like apps being forced down my throat. Obviously, for this, I am testing it using the app. So next, I'm going to have a listen to the audio back, and let's see whether or not the AI noise reduction actually works. So the UM01 from Neewer, the AI noise reduction microphone. Is it any good? It's okay, is my honest opinion. I think the AI noise reduction is a complete gimmick that does very little. From what I can tell, listening back from what I've recorded, all it really does is lower the gain on the microphone, and it doesn't actually seem to cancel out any background noises, which is a little bit disappointing, because it just seems once again a company has slapped AI on a product and gone, pay for this. It's got AI in it. And I can't be arsed with that. It's utter bollocks. This microphone itself is okay. It's got USB-C to USB-C or USB-A. It's got controls on it to mute, for your noise reduction, for the volume of your microphone, for the volume of your headphones, to change the RGB lighting. You've got an app to do all that. The website's pants when you're trying to find the app that you need to use for it. And overall, it just feels very muddled. I understand that my voice can be a little bit odd, especially from all the video editing I've had to do with my own voice. I understand that the volume and the pitch of my voice goes up and down like a roller coaster. It's a nightmare to deal with, which is fine, but I have a microphone that's 20 quid cheaper that deals with it better than what this one does. It's £64 on Amazon currently. I can't justify it. Not only that, but check this out. That was me handling the microphone whilst using it, and they're the sounds you can hear. With the noise reduction on and off, made very little difference, and the feedback that you're getting from it from handling the microphone is terrible. Now, you could sort that with a shock mount and all the rest of it, but this £64 microphone is steadily getting a lot more expensive, considering that was me handling the microphone on a boom arm, on their boom arm that they sent me, and that's how bad the handling is like the noise handling on the microphone. I'm really disappointed in this product. I was hoping that this was going to be like budget streaming or podcasting mic that everyone would be able to just rush out and get, but I think it falls flat. I'd rather get the Fine AM8. Yeah, this microphone doesn't hit the mark for me, and I'm sure Neewer are not going to send me another product again after this, which is fine, but this is not worth the money and I would not recommend this product. One thing I would recommend though, if you are a streamer, if you are a content creator of some description, can recommend this LED light panel. This is genuinely awesome. Neewer sent me this out a while ago and I use it all the time. It's ace. It's really good. That's my opinion. Not the most positive of videos today, but it is a review. And as always, I will stay honest. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Hopefully I'll see you on the next one. Bye.